no screen, no distraction, no scrolling, and no physical interaction. Still, you can use your smartphone features smartly, seamlessly, wherever you go with the Humane AI Pin. Hello guys! Hope you guys are doing very well. After a long time, I'm going to make the long form of the content, and I was really busy in my personal work, so I wasn't able to make the videos and all. So today I'm going to talk about the revolutionary device Humane AI Pin. AI Pin is a compact, lightweight device that combines the artificial intelligence with the innovative hardware capabilities. Features are including a laser projection system that displays the information directly on your palm. And it has also built-in cameras and sensors for environmental awareness. It has also voice recognition and the natural language processing capabilities. Along with it, the gesture control for the intuitive interactions. Basically, you can understand this device was the advanced version of the Amazon Alexa or Google Home in your pocket. Actually, the primary vision of the Humane AI Pin was to reduce screen dependency while offering and maintaining AI powered assistance without the need of the smartphone. In short, this device was aimed as well as marketed to replace the smartphone. With this vision, they were able to raise the seed round series A, B and C with total of the $230 million. As per Indian currency, it was around 1960 crore. So that's it. Let's talk about the founders and background of this startup Humane AI Pin. So let's talk about the founder of the Humane AI Pin. So the founder of the Humane AI Pin was the Imran Chaudhri and Bethany bongiorno. Both the co-founder of the Humane AI Inc. was the former Apple executives who played pivotal roles in the development of the iconic products. In details, Imran Chaudhri was the designer, contributed significantly to the user interface and interactional design of the Apple products from 1995 to 2017, including co-creating the original iPhone home screens. On the other hand, the Bethany bongiorno served as a director of the software engineering program management, overseeing the launch of the original iPad and other key projects. With the combined experience of the designing and the software engineering, in 2018, they co-founded Humane Inc. in San Francisco, aiming to create innovative technology that enhances human capabilities. Their flagship product was the AI Pin. And then let's jump into the section of the device features now. I'll describe AI Pin as no screen, no distraction, no scrolling, and no physical interaction. Still, you can use your smartphone features smartly, seamlessly, wherever you go with the Humane AI Pin. For supporting these AI Pin has various components like the voice assistant, AI projection, vision assistant, and Cosmos, which are the major highlight of this device, which helped in making investors believe in its revolutionary vision. Let me dig deep down of the device features by the feature in details. So first feature is voice assistant. The AI Pin voice assistant offers hands-free, screenless interaction responding to voice command for tasks like messaging, navigation, and search. It activates when you tap the device like this. And instead of traditional activator Hey Siri or Hey Alexa for voice assistant of Apple and Amazon, it's revolutionizing use cases. Just like first use case is calendar integration. You can ask the AI Pin to schedule meetings, set reminders, or check agenda just by speaking. For example, schedule a meeting with John tomorrow at the 3 p.m. Or
what's next on my calendar? Your next event is a navigation experience design review at 5:30 p.m. in the large conference room.
This was the first use case of that one you can directly ask them. Second use case is LLM integration. AI Pin uses LLM for logging, organizing, searching anything effortlessly. You can capture notes, have conversations, talk on ideas, taking recipes or doing research. For example, putting info like, remember that I parked on the level 3 zone B in the mall. Then ask where did I park today? Later also when you return back from the mall, you can also ask about any topic. What is the height of the Burj Khalifa? What is the height of the Mount Everest? So third use case is the language translator. It can help you communicate in different language if you need to communicate in the different linguistic zones. You can also perform complex use cases like the basic research for any topic. For example, search all consumer tech reviewer and collect channel name subscriber along with the link in an Excel sheet. AI Pin will do the magic and collect in an Excel sheet. And second feature of the AI Pin is the unique dynamic UI. It's a projection of the monochrome interface onto your hand, which can be activated with a manual device command or raising a palm against the AI Pin like this. Or it can be, for example, it can be projected in your palm only, where the as UI in the palm can be interacted by tilting the hand, tapping the finger, closing the fist gesture, whereas the tilting the hand will help you in selection of the particular option and closing the fist will confirming the selected options of the UI. You can also read and send message, receiving calls, watch time and various other instances with the help of the AI Pin. Third feature is Vision Assistant. Here device utilizes a built-in camera and advanced vision language model to identify objects, read text and provide contextual information, all delivered via voice or projected onto the user's hand. Some of the use cases are, first one is tracking nutrition info. The Vision Assistant can scan, analyze the product level of the product, instantly providing the detailed nutritional information of any edible brand item or helping user make informed health conscious decisions. Second one is improving shopping experiences. It enhances shopping by the scanning items, providing the real-time product details, comparing with the different prices and offering personalized recommendations, making the shopping experience more efficient and informed. So fourth feature is incredible OS of the AI Pin, that is the Cosmos. It was the revolutionary OS which connects approximately all of your devices, like your devices of the OS, of your smartphone or your laptop or your home device assistant OS, which helps seamlessly manage all the digital tasks from home to travel to office. Wherever you are, use cases of this are like listening all the notification in your WhatsApp from your phone, turning on the AC if you are in the car before reaching your home, or turning off the electricity if you forgot to turn off the electricity in your office. These were the main feature of the AI Pin, which built the AI Pin to revolutionary device. So let's move on to the next section of this video, that is the business model. Before diving into the business model, let me tell you what was exactly inside the new Humane AI Pin newly purchased box. So basically it contains one charging adapter, one charging cable, two battery boosters, one charging case, one charging pad, one Humane AI Pin device. So these are the lot of things inside the box, and this basically the cost of the whole package of the AI Pin constitutes one-time cost of the $699, which is approximately 60,000 rupees in the Indian currency. Of course, if you want to use this device, definitely you have to use their servers and services. For that, you have to pay mandatory Humane subscription cost, that was $24, which is equivalent to the 2040 Indian currency rupees monthly. Broadly, their business model was to earn from the margins of the device sales and the subscription cost. So that was it from the business model section of the AI pin. Now it's time to move to the fall of the business section. What went wrong, which led Human AI Pin business shutdown? Several factors contributed to the downfall of the Human AI Pin business. So first one was product performance issues. User reported numerous problems including the overheating, battery life and unreliable performance. As well, there was a notable incident involved a battery fire risk in the charging case, leading to recall and further damaging the company's reputation. Second one was negative reviews and high return rates. Tech reviewers, including the Marquis Brownlee, criticized the device for its impracticality and the lack of the promised functionalities. As a result, these reviews significantly impacted public perceptions, leading to more product returns than sales. Third one was financial losses. After burning through approximately $230 million in funding, Human struggled to sustain operations, resulting the company's valuation plummeting from a peak of $850 million to $116 million, which is the result of the acquisition of the HP deal. So what happened next? Due to the operation failures, services for the AI pin business ceased on February 28, 2025, rendering the devices non-functional. After that, HP acquired the Humane software platform Cosmos, along with over 300 patents and most of its employees, excluding the AI pin hardware business, which discontinued. Now let's move to the section of my views and learning of the business section. So in this section, I'll be discussing about my views and learning from the business. So first one is party like it's 1999. From my perspective, as I believe party like it's 1999, for your information, 1999 was a dot-com boom where there was a irrational exuberance or any type of the idea, innovation and building businesses. We should always think ahead and fail fast to learn and build future. Assume if I was starting the Humane AI Pin business, even if I knew that it's going to fail irrespective of that, I would definitely give a try to this business. Now, second one, learning is broader disruption mistake. For me, disruption is different. Instead of the directly attacking the big market, we should start small. Like here, they market themselves for replacing the smartphone. That was a really aggressive and a huge claim. Instead of marketing themselves with a broader vision, they should be disrupting slowly with the narrow vision at least in their prototype stage, instead of the big claim for achieving the broader vision in the initial stage only. This results in the rise of the expectation from the people, which leads to bad reviews from the production delivery of the product. Now the third learning from this business is high pricing with no PMF. Especially in the initial stage when you have not achieved the PMF or product market fit, like your device is having the heating or performance issues, how can you talk about the high pricing in the initial only? PMF should be the priority, especially when you have announced aggressive and the big claim of replacing the smartphones. So that was it for the AI pin business analysis. Thanks for watching. Hope you love our content. If you came watching till this point, please like our video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the future update and the videos, because I post such analysis videos for the business. So thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy.